Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 6 in 2018. One, because, I'm a kid, I'm not going to get like an iPhone 6 100 million or whatever, or 8, iPhone, I don't know, 10, all those really big iPhones. They're probably going to get out of date in like 1 year, nobody's going to want to get them. So I just got an iPhone 6 because I don't know, it feels nice, suits me. Suits my hand. So, and can you guys like the video and subscribe? Cause, yeah, like the video, subscribe, comment down below what videos you want me to make, because I haven't fully decided. So far I'm doing unboxing videos and stuff like that, and vlogs, maybe a little on challenges I will do later on with my friends. And, yeah, I'm also going to be reviewing the other videos I've made. Well, not reviewing, just like getting all this stuff and showing you guys. Because later on in my new house, I'm going to make a shelf of all the things I've unboxed and put them there. And so I ordered the iPhone without, the headphones and stuff, because I didn't need it. And with the screen protector on, because I can't be bothered. So yeah, that's about it. So let's just get into opening it. Here it is. I just put that over everything because, I don't want you guys seeing where I live and everything. So let's get into this. I'm also going to probably make a video where I calling scary numbers on my new phone, and also doing a mystery box that I ordered a few days ago, so that will come. So I'll do a video on that because that'll be fun to make. And yeah, so let's just get into this. So I also ordered a phone case. So here's the phone case. I think it looks okay. It's just, a simple Kmart looking one. And then in here we got the iPhone. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of a tight fit, really. Okay, I got it. So here it is. It looks pretty nice, gotta agree. Oh, and here this baby is. Here it is. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. And so I didn't really get anything else. There's nothing down here really, except for all that, the stickers and whatever. So let me just put back together the box, because probably won't be putting this back in. Okay. So here it is. Let's turn it on. Oh, looks pretty nice. It's a used one, so yeah. Oop. So let's open it. So it looks pretty nice. I don't mind the background, the Apple background. And I think this looks nice. Just like that. Just normal stuff. I already signed in because I got it like that. And I'll give them my account details to sign in, so I have it ready for the video. And this is it so far. I think it looks pretty nice. You guys comment down below. So yeah, if you listen from the beginning, I'm going to be making those type of videos. So this is from my first video ever. It is the torch, like the gun torch, which is also a lighter with a green flame. I made a video on that. The lighter doesn't set. You need like something, because there's still gas coming out, but you need something to trigger it. And here's the mini stops where I got from the video opening mini stops. There they are. They got a lot of duplicates of their oat milk. I thought there was one more oat milk. Oh, here it is. So yeah, that's the ones like I got the Messy Monkeys, 4 oat milk chocolates, 1 Nutella, and 1 coffee bean one. So that's nice. Sorry for the bad quality. And yeah, so that's them that I'm done with. So, you probably know what a mystery box is. You know, a box that you get off eBay or Amazon. Get them off the dark web, but I'm not doing that. And what you do with them is, you kind of, there's just random items in the box. Yeah, so thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Tell me comment down below what videos you want me to make. I can make gaming videos like Fortnite or something. And that's it. Peace. Like and subscribe.